Assalamu alaikum all. Myself Taha Hedra. Today we are doing a debate on whether Amir need PCB or PCB need Amir. With my co-fellow Mr. Mahmood Ali. He is a huge big fan of Muhammad Amir. He is die-hard fan. He is one of the die-hard fans of Muhammad Amir. Today I will try to persuade him towards what's my point of view. What does Amir need PCB or PCB need Amir? Try to persuade him on what I think of Amir and what is my point of view on this.
And absolutely, I am trying to do this guy, Muhammad Amir.
And he will also try to persuade me on his point of view.
Yes.
As we are starting to talk on cricket, so yeah, just like we are going to be talking on Amir. So I think you have a very resemblance to another bowler. I think you have a very resemblance towards the Shahnawaz Rani. He is also a prime bowler of Pakistan. You literally think you have resemblance with him?
No.
Can I call you Dhani in our whole video?
Sure.
Okay, that's very nice of you.
Thank you.
So I will call you Dhani throughout it because I think your face has resemblance to him.
I am very thankful to you for listening to match my personality to Shahnawaz Rani.
I am not matching up your personality with Shahnawaz Rani. I am saying that your face has resemblance with him.
Because I am a bowler.
You are also a bowler. That's a very nice. You have very information about the bowling skills and some slow bowler, fast bowler, different things.
It's a huge information. So let's start it.
So let's proceed. So today I will try to persuade you towards what I am thinking about. So do you think from now does PCB need Amir or Amir need PCB?
PCB need Amir because we convince him to come to play our.
Why do you think? In my opinion, Amir is not. I am not saying that Amir is not a skillful bowler. Amir is in his prime, just about 2010. When he came to our PCB, in his prime he is a very good bowler, very skillful bowler. But today now, I think so his age is about 35. So today I don't think so that PCB have to move to their past. They have future stars more like future stars coming, Naseem Shah, Shaheen Shah, and my friend Zaman Khan. There are many future stars which are more skillful than him.
Yes, of course.
I am not saying that he is not a skillful bowler, but at his prime. And today he is not at his prime. Shaheen Shah Afridi is at his prime. Naseem Shah it has his prime.
But experience is matter because every country's one player is experienced. One experienced player in 11 people are available. Experience is more important in cricket because they guide him and you try to convince him. So that's experience is more important in this.
As you are a die fan of Muhammad Amir, so it will be very
Experience is different. But
it would be very problematic for me to persuade you, but I will try my best to persuade you that
especially
about what is my thinking on this. I will try my best. As you said that experience matters. So as an experience, you have more bowlers just like Mohammad Asif. Do you want to? You don't want that he will also take his retirement bet and came to Pakistan team. He is more skillful bowler than Mohammad
It's
Amir.
available for coaching. Come to coach him.
Mohammad Amir and Asif are like just like 2 to 3 years debut from debut.
But Mohammad Asif is another bowler. He use drugs, so that's why PCB.
He used drugs,
Yes.
but Mohammad Amir is a very bloody fixer.
But
He ruined our whole nation down towards the whole world.
He accepted his mistake and it's come to.
He accepted. After that, he came to Pakistan. He played a vital role in the 2017 Pro Champions Trophy. I am expecting that. I am expecting
only
that.
one person is.
Not only one person. Fakhar Zaman was also there. Many other cricketers. Shaheen was also there. Shaheen was not in. I think
Shaheen is not.
was not in 2017 trophy.
Where is
Babar
Shaheen?
Azam is there. Babar Azam is a big brand of Pakistan. He is there.
The team is important, but as a bowling lane, the Virat Kohli in this platform, Virat Kohli, Jadeja, MS Dhoni, it's a biggest player.
I think
But
so.
Mohammad Amir bowled him on
Okay. As you are saying that 2007. What is about 2019 World Cup?
2019 World Cup. That's Mohammad Amir retired.
2019 World Cup. Amir has played 2019 World Cup.
Retired.
Amir has played 2019 World Cup. He is with Shaheen. When Shaheen is with Shaheen has also spells.
When he starting
spells.
2009. When he starting 2009.
2019 World Cup.
In 2019
Shaheen, Amir was also there and Shaheen was also there. If you can see any stats of Shaheen or Amir, Shaheen was better than Amir in 2019 World Cup. Amir has experience. At that time, Shaheen just have a
Guiding.
debut.
Amir
Shaheen
just
just
guiding.
started. Shaheen has just started. You need experienced player. Your experience makes a lot of difference. I also admitted that experience is the key. But I don't think that if some player is arrogant, some player is like, I don't need PCB. I will play in. I will join England. I will get a visa and then I will play IPL. He knows a dispute between India and Pakistan. After that, he is saying all that. If interviewer asked him that whether
He say his
Rohit Sharma's flick is Rohit
Yusuf
Sharma's
full shot. Full shot is greater than the Rizwan sixes. So you talking about the debut of the Shaheen Shah Afridi, but you don't remember the debut of the Mohammad Amir in 2009. Shane Watson is shouting about his spell.
I know, but I am just saying about today. Do you think today, when Amir's age is 35,
Yes.
he has all career is finished. He has taken his retirement back. Now he is from 2010 and now it's 2024. His career is about to 24 years. You literally think now Amir is also at his prime. What he was at 2010 was Amir at the same.
In his career team, there are two experienced bowlers. His age is 35 above. His number one is
Well, they are
number
still playing from there.
The number two is Mitchell Stark. They are available. They are convinced him to manage him our team.
They are playing till 2010. They are not doing any kind of rest. Their body is more
Yes.
flexible. Amir is not playing from the. After that, I will try to persuade you. As you are a very diamond man, it will be very hard for me to persuade you. We will talk about any kind of stats, as Google can guide us. Who is far better than? As I am saying you that in this time, in this 2024, I think so. Amir is not on his peak. Shaheen Shah Afridi is on his peak, as he is called Eagle of
Naseem Shah is better
Pakistan.
than Shaheen Shah Afridi.
Yes, Naseem Shah is also a very skillful bowler. But as a comparison, as a time taken, Naseem Shah is new and Shaheen Shah Afridi is old. You can compare him with Amir. You cannot compare Naseem Shah because Naseem Shah has many future times. Naseem Shah has a long future. Hello, Mr. Dahani. I will try to persuade you by showing the stats what Google says.
According to Google.
According to do you accept that Shaheen is better than Amir? In nowadays, in today's world.
So yes.
So I will tell you the stats. As you can see, Google is showing. As you all can also see what Google is saying. After this, what do you think?
So according to Google, so finish the video. That's why the
You accept it?
Shaheen strike rate is better than
You accept it?
Mohammad Amir.
After showing, yes, I am.
According to Google.
Yes,
According
I
to
am
Google.
accepting it. Amir is a very skillful bowler at his prime. Amir was far better than Shaheen Afridi at his prime. I am accepting that. I am accepting that Amir was a very skillful bowler. But I am talking about Google stats. I am talking about nowadays. When Amir is only ready to play T20, but Shaheen is playing all three formats. So
Shaheen was injured.
I know. I can also. So that's all from our side, our debates and on Shaheen versus on who is better, Shaheen, Amir, or does PCB need Amir or Amir need PCB. Thank you, Mr. Mahmood.
And especially for listening to carefully and take care. Allah Hafiz.